Welcome to the fourth and final video on the short video series of how to create ebook using Sigil epub 2.0. In this video we're going to discuss how to create the functional epub, which is basically adding things like hyperlinking, creating a table of contents, and of course saving your epub. So let's start with hyperlinking. You can tell that, as you're going through your ebook here in the preview mode, sometimes you have some reference to an exhibit, but you can't clearly see what exhibit it's referring to. And in an iPhone, that may be on the next page or 2 pages away. So the easiest thing and the best thing to do is usually to hyperlink that exhibit to the actual image. In order to do so, what you're going to do, it's fairly simple. You're going to highlight what you would like to hyperlink, and then up here you're going to insert a link, and you're going to link it to the appropriate image. In this case we had section J, exhibit A, and there you go. So now it's actually hyperlinked and it'll take you to the image when you click on it. You can also do the same if you have let's say that you want to hyperlink to a certain word inside of the ebook. So let's say I want to reference this voltage here. Now currently I don't have any images or anything associated with that voltage, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm actually going to create an anchor first. So I insert an ID, and then I tag this ID as voltage. So that word is now tagged as voltage, but it doesn't really do anything. You can't see it doesn't turn blue or anything. But let's say somewhere else in the document I also have reference to voltage, like here. Well, what I can do is I'm going to insert a link, and I'm going to scroll down, see here, and here's my target, hashtag voltage, and so I click there. And now there's actually a link that when I click on voltage, it's going to drop me down straight to that voltage word. This is very useful in things like the definitions here for power. I could definitely go through, and for every power I could link back up to the definition. And of course you have other ways that other things that you may want to do this with. So that's hyperlinking. Let's go into creating a table of contents. Now here I really don't have enough information in all of these. Let's open up one of these other ones. You can tell it's blank. I double click to open and it's blank. So there's really not a lot to create a table of contents with. So let me go ahead and open up one of the files that we've created in the past. Let's see here. Alright, so you can tell that this has quite a few sections, and each one has pretty robust amount of information, so multiple headings and different types of headings. So let's go ahead and create a table of contents real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to Tools and then Table of Contents, and I'm going to generate a table of contents. When that comes up, you can see that it has all of the information. Everything that it tagged as a heading is in there. Now let's say I don't want certain ones to show up. I can just deselect it, like this heading 4 here. I really don't want that there. So if I want to deselect those, and those won't show up in my table of contents. So you go through and you decide what's important for your reader to be able to see in the table of contents and be able to link to. And once you're done with that, you click OK, and it generates a table of contents for you. You can see that it now shows here on the right hand side your entire table of contents, and this is expandable or retractable. So that is a neat feature, and it's definitely going to be useful for your users. Very last thing here, let's go ahead and save this file. So I'm going to go ahead and save as, and you can tell it saves as epub. That's the type of format that is viewable on a portable device such as an iPad, iPhone, or any Android device that you choose. And go ahead and save, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you need any additional help, please contact me.